Everything. Hi, Bunbun. As in, bunbunan talaga, B. Yeah, I was so sad here because no one is talking to me and I was like so quiet for a while. Silent mode. It was my silent mode. Are you, going to school now? Hi, Kiki. AOS. Shall we AOS? My youth is yours. Ture. I wish I could watch more Walking Dead. Hi, Daddy Mox, but everyone is sleeping here. We cannot, we cannot contain a lot more noise. Austin, thank you for top. Hi, Tolits. Sarap magkain sa night market, no? Kasi lang wala na. Me too! Oh my God! I found my people. I've already found my people here. We're same, Austin. I really love The Walking Dead. I'm rewatching it. I already watched that, to be honest. But I love rewatching it. Hi, Ted. I was just sad because Glenn died. I stopped watching that time. Yeah. Hi, Tuhay. To be honest, I stopped I stopped watching when when the time that Glenn died. Yeah. Hi, Sky. Hi, Mother. What episode? Yeah, it's such a great show. Really mess with your emotion. True. Like there's a lot of plot twists there, and a lot of surprises that you won't take it because a lot of characters are a good characters just died. You wouldn't expect that. What's that? Hi, David. Have you seen Past Him Dying? Who? Who? Hello, Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit. Hi, Just. Who? Glenn? Yeah, I saw that in season 6 eh. Only one prince, and then after the season 6, I never watch again. Hopefully this time, I would take it. I won't take it like too much emotional. Anything past from that part? I don't really remember eh, cause I was rewatching it. I'm in season 5 na already. Yeah. I was just remembering that time Glenn was smashed by Negan. Yeah, that's the time I remembered. Hi, Maul. Oh my God. Yeah, don't spoil because I already forgot that. Hi, 7-Eleven. Walking Duck. Oh my God. Hanggang season 11 ang last. Oo nga, Rick is already not on season 11, right? Yeah, the TikTok spoiled me it eh. It's so sad because Rick is already not there from season 10 to 11. Like, he's the main character there. He has a separate movie na pala. Hi, Jordy.